Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Hi, I'm Josiah Blessing. I am the host of the marriage transforming platform, Marital Workshop on YouTube. I am on a mission to help my fellow women have a blissful, joyful, and a just marriage. I have experienced a turbulent, a boring, and a sad marriage, so I know what it means for marriage to be on the verge of breaking. The rate of divorce in the world today is becoming alarming. Pastors divorce their wives. Leaders divorce their wives. Marriages of talented, successful, and great people end up in divorce. So you see, it's not a matter of race, tribe, religion, or education. Having a successful marriage is more difficult than having a successful career. That is why you need to join me to help my fellow women have a blissful, joyful, and a just marriage by simply subscribing to my YouTube channel, Marital Workshop. One of the reasons why you need to help me is because there are hundreds of millions of videos on YouTube. When you create a new YouTube channel, it's like dropping a needle in the middle of an ocean. No one gets to notice it. So your channel has 0 views, 0 likes, and 0 subscribers. But the moment your channel starts having views, comments, likes, the YouTube algorithm assumes that your videos must be interesting, and it starts to display it and suggest it to other YouTube users. The second reason why you need to help me is because of the YouTube policy. Based on the YouTube policy, before a channel can be taken seriously, that channel must have up to 4,000 views within the last 6 months and 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers sounds much, but if you watching me right now decide to take an action and click subscribe on the Marital Workshop channel, that means I need less than 1,000 subscribers. That means I need just 999 subscribers. Right now, we have few subscribers. Those are the people who decided to go extra mile to click subscribe on the Marital Workshop channel. And please note that subscription is free. One major challenge I'm facing right now is the Nigerian mentality. Nigerians, they rather download a video than watching it on YouTube. Or even after watching it on YouTube, they wouldn't drop a comment, they wouldn't even click like or even subscribe. My friends called me to tell me, oh, Blessing, I saw your video. Yeah, oh, I saw this, I saw your video on YouTube. Now, when I rush down to my YouTube channel to check if there's subscribers, maybe they click subscribe, nothing like that. They just watch it, not even a comment, not even a like. So I don't know. The total view on my videos right now is almost 200 views. That means almost 200 people visited my channel, watched the video, but never clicked subscribe. But right now, I have 7 subscribers on my YouTube channel, but almost 200 views on my videos. Maybe you're one of them who watched the video and never dropped a comment. One interesting thing about YouTube is not like every other social media platform, whereby like Facebook or Instagram, whereby you're following someone or someone is following you and everyone gets to know that you're following a particular person. YouTube is different. When you subscribe to a channel, no one knows which channel you're subscribed to. Your privacy is kept anonymous. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wouldn't even know you are the one who subscribed. I know you're feeling like, I don't want her to know that I subscribe to her channel. Please subscribe. I wouldn't even know you. I have 7 subscribers at the moment. I don't even know them, but I know that those are the people who know me. So in case I didn't call you to thank you for subscribing, it's just because I don't know you were the one who subscribed. not because of pride or anything. There are 5 things that make a channel successful on YouTube. 1. Subscribers. 2. Likes. 3. Comments. 4. Views. And 5. Share. So if you decide to do those 5 things for me, that means you are really doing me a great favor, and also helping a woman out there to get to know about the channel and also get to watching the videos. With your support, we can save a marriage together. Thank you, and I know you subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Click on the link that will be sent to you shortly.